Dear students, today is 16th April and today is your EVS turn. Here I am with the very first chapter of your EVS book, that is My Body. In this chapter, the chapter starts with the definition of body. Body works as a big machine, consists of many parts are called organ. Like in machine, the various parts make the machine. Likewise, in our body, various organs make our body. Organs are of two types, internal body organ and external body organ. Internal body organ are the organ which you cannot see, they are inside your body. Example, brain. You cannot see the brain. The second one is heart, third is lungs, fourth is bones and muscle, and etc. There are many more internal body organs in our body. Now, brain help us to think, heart pump blood, lungs help us to breathe, bones and muscles give us shape and help in movement. From moving one place to another, we are dependent on our bones and muscles. Now, next is external body organ. The example of external body organ, as you can see these organ as they are outside of your body. The first example is hand, help us to do work. Second is feet, help us to walk and run. Third one is mouth, help us to speak and laugh. Other than this, there is one more category of external body organ, that is sense organs. So sense organs are the group of organ in which there are 5 sense organ. The first one is eye, help us to see. The second one is ears, help us to hear. The third one is tongue, help us to taste. Fourth one is nose, help us to smell. And fifth one is skin, that help us to feel. So this is what about the chapter, in this chapter. Other than this, there is one more section in which there are few tips are given for keeping fit and healthy. So in that category or in that portion of the chapter, it was given that we need to be healthy by applying some of the rules or by applying some of the good habit in our daily life. For example, drink water. We need to drink plenty of water for keeping ourselves healthy. The second one is eat good food. Means good food does not mean that tasty food. Good food means you need to eat nutritious food. Maintain good hygiene. Nowadays we all are listening about washing hand. Wash your hand because it is very much important to avoid infection. So other than this, we need to maintain good hygiene. We have to take daily bath. We should always cut our nails. We should always wear tidy and clean clothes. These are come under the category of good hygiene. The next is sleep 8 hours daily. It means few children have a habit of going late to the bed and they feel difficulty to wake up early in the morning. So this is not a good thing. We should go to bed on time so that we may wake up early, and we should sleep at least 8 hours daily. Now next is do exercise. As we all know, exercise is very important for us. Physical activity, like you play outdoor games, that is also comes in the category of exercise. You are doing yoga, that is also exercise. So you should do exercise. You have not to sit only and play your indoor game or playing your video game. That is not a good thing. We should do exercise daily. So that is it. This was the chapter all about. I hope you all have understood the main summary of the chapter. Now it is your homework to just read the chapter aloud so you can develop more understanding toward the chapter and learn all the question answers. That is it. Thank you.